A cap, continuous assembly pattern, is the connection of two different things. The ones that you're seeing, the C caps, are half of this and half of this. Right, this is the 4-petal anti-spin, and this is the long arm giant 0-petal flower situation, whatever you want to call it, any of those. So you could do a C cap like this across the bottom. You could do a C cap across the back. You could do a C cap across the top. You could do a C cap across the front. You could do a C cap across the horizontal. In my experience teaching people, if people are struggling to get anti-spin, I will start them with the cap, and I will just start them with this basic cap. But for people who get anti-spin and can get anti-spin, I think it's actually better to at least try all 4 directions of the side plane version of it. So this being overhand. This is the underhand. Then this is side opposite right, where the right hand is overhand and the left hand is underhand. And then this is side opposite left, where the left hand is overhand and the right hand is underhand. Because you can do, like, that's a top cap in that opposite direction. Yes, the continuous assembly pattern does make it look completely crazy, but it is based on the same concepts. If you can get the 4-petal anti-spin first, I think it opens up the possibility